probably.
1970.
Yeah, that one. And then
Alright, so here's how to add a tree ring around your tree. First thing you want to do is just prep the area with a weed eater, get it down to the dirt. The next thing you want to do is have a steel bed redefiner. If you don't have one of these, you can use a half moon shovel like this. And then you just put a water hose around your tree to get the circle that you want. Or you can tie a string around the middle of the tree and then go around it with a shovel to get your circle as well. Then you just want to prep the bed, get all the weeds out that you can, and try to get it as level as you can. And then once you do that, just rake away all the other excess weeds and stuff. Add your mulch, and then you have a beautiful tree ring on your property.